Don't you understand what's going on here? Woo-hoo! Oh, there's the dirty orange rugs. Oh, terrible with my left hand.
I know mine. I couldn't get it to spin with my left hand.
Full-time job, Lincoln. Somebody's got to do it.
His face. Woo!
That is very smart what you do. Very smart. Why do you keep ending up over here under the chair? That's over the orange carpeting. The dirty orange carpet. Oh.
Where'd you go?
Mm.